Hello, welcome to one of my reviews that I sometimes do. This is a Trimits kit. Trimits is a UK brand, not sure if they ship abroad. It's sort of mid-priced to lower priced, so I thought this is a cute design. They do have some cute designs. I thought I would give it a go, have a look at it and see what you get. So the kit includes 6-inch bamboo hoop, 6 strand of embroidered thread, metal needle, 100% cotton fabric with pre-printed design, felt backing and colour sheet instructions. I like to get a kit sometimes when I just want to sew without really thinking about the design too much. So first off, we've got a bamboo hoop, and I'm not a big fan of bamboo hoops. It does have a screw section there, so you can tighten it up. It looks reasonably well aligned, a little bit of gapping there, but not too bad. It's nice to get some felt for the back. Not many kits actually give you a backing, so that's quite nice. The fabric is a little bit darker than I thought it would be, but that is actually a really nice thick cotton. Images quite small but very cute. The threads, so they're probably not DMC. It doesn't say they're DMC. It doesn't give them any brand or coding. You've got a reasonable amount of colours. Black there, white, some browns and some bright colours there. It feels quite soft, so I think that will be quite nice to work with. You get a little needle, quite a large head, but it is a thin one. So let's hoop it up and give it a go. I think this design would suit staying in a hoop really, the way the dogs are positioned. There won't be much, you don't really want to put it in a frame. You might want to use this to frame it. You could decorate it a bit because it is very plain, a bit cheap looking, the bamboo hoops. I'm quite pleasantly surprised with the quality. I got it on sale actually from Hobbycraft, so I think it was half price, so it might have been about £7. So the hoop is holding at reasonable tension. Let's see if I can get it tighter. Let's have a look at the instructions. Ooh, okay, this is immediately a bit more complicated. Follow the chart and the key for the placement of each stitch. So there's a little stitch guide, long and short, straight stitch, satin stitch, leaf stitch, French knot, 2 strands, French knot 1 strand, outline stitch, 1 strand. So the pictures are fine, they're pretty standard, and there is a little written description as well if you prefer to sort of read the instructions. It is an English company, so there's not sort of any poor translation issues. Got some tips, setting up the hoop, completing your design, finishing the hoop, trim off the excess fabric. Okay, it doesn't say anything about removing the design, so I assume you actually have to cover the design. Something to bear in mind. You don't have to wash it afterwards because the design's not going to come out. Also instructions in German and French. So all in all, I think this might be quite a good beginner kit. Let's tighten this hoop a bit if we can. It's quite small, 6 inches, so that is it's a nice one to start with. Sometimes it can be a bit overwhelming if you've got a really big hoop and the image takes up most of the hoop. So this one is good for beginners. That is tight enough, even though I do like it a little bit tighter. You should be able to tap it like a drum. Should sound nice and tight. Okay, let's have a look at the middle dog. Dark brown, pink bow tie, turquoise, a little bit cross stitch, straight stitch. I'm probably mainly going to work by the picture rather than necessarily following all the stitches. I've been really impressed with the quality of this kit. The fabric is really nice and sturdy. The threads seem really good. They haven't been catching, they haven't been knotting. They're very soft. The design is really cute, and obviously they've got lots of different designs, different tastes. You can buy them in different places. You can get them on Amazon, different craft stalls like Hobbycraft. And they're a great sort of entry price. They're not too expensive, and I think they are quite good for beginners. The instructions are really clear, little images to help you, and written instructions as well. This particular one is quite detailed, so might be a little bit tricky for a beginner, but all in all, I've been very impressed with this kit.